Now, make sure you don't get self-love mixed up with self-care. Self-care is about the behaviors you do every day, such as taking a shower or doing your hair. A lot of times we think that we have this high self-esteem and we love ourselves when we really just truly care for ourselves. So the first thing you want to do is find a place that you look at and that you see every single day. Something that you will pay attention to every day. I know when I do my 30 days of self-love, I use my bathroom mirror because I look in the mirror every day. As long as it's a place that you look at every day. Now you also want to make sure that that place is not cluttered with other things around it. Then what you do is you get your pen and your sticky notes, and every day you write something about yourself. Life has a way of forcing you to deal with your emotions. Deal on your terms.